Hey guys, Zen here. Today we're checking out the F11 Camping Fan from OGERY. To turn it on, we just tap this knob or rotate it to the right to control the speed of the fan. To turn it off, just tap it again or rotate it all the way back to the left. Here's a display for the battery level, and it will start blinking when the power is very low. You can use this button to set the oscillation to rotate back and forth for 30, 60, 90, or 120 degrees. You can use this button to set a timer for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours, and it will automatically turn off after that time has elapsed. Hit it again to turn that off. This button is a sleep mode button, which turns all the indicator lights off. This fan also has a light. To use that, we tap this button to turn the light on, and you can keep clicking it to adjust the brightness level. If you hold it down for a couple seconds, it will turn the light off. On the bottom of it is a hook, so you can attach it to the loop inside your tent or to something inside your travel trailer. On the back of it, you're going to find a remote control, which will control all the settings on the fan. It is directional, so you have to be facing the front of the fan. You're also going to find a USB-C input and output and a USB-A output port on the back of the fan. When the battery is low, you can use the USB-C port to charge up the battery of the fan. You can also use that same port to fast charge up to 18 watts any device that you have, like a phone. This does have pass-through charging, so you can leave your USB-C port plugged into the wall and then use the USB-A port to charge any other device that you have. While this fan is good for pushing around a little bit of air in a tent, travel trailer, or event booth, I think this fan would be most useful in a power outage or just to move some air around in a stuffy office. And that's where I have mine, here in the office on this shelf, pushing a little bit of air around, and I can use the pass-through charging to keep my cell phone topped off. There's two things I don't like about this fan. One is how easy it is to turn on. You can throw it into the back of your vehicle and not realize that you accidentally bumped the button, and because it's so quiet, you don't know the fan's on, and when you get to wherever you're going, you've already used half of your battery. The second feature I don't like is the searchlight option. If you turn on the oscillation with the light on, it makes you feel like you're in a prison because you have this searchlight spinning back and forth and back and forth. It's kind of annoying. Things I do like about it is the battery lasts for a long time, even on high. And I can still plug in a tablet or a phone and top it off. And the pass-through feature on this is legit. I like equipment with pass-through power. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.